The first thing we'll note is that when you start using Rhino for the first time, it just gives you a very simple P&L. This information really is driven off the sales and the expenses recorded in the system. However, limited companies or larger companies may have a more sophisticated accounting requirement, and this would require us to enable the accounting feature. So if we click up on the Your Features, we go down to Accounting. So it gives you an overview of what's involved. Once we enable it, the next thing we have to look at is the Features tab. This will allow us to enable other things. For example, the facility to record other types of money coming into the company, other types of money going out of the company, and also we can switch on the trial balance and balance sheet. Click Save. When we come back to this screen, that not a lot has changed. We've still got the simple P&L, and that's because we have to initialize the new accounting feature. To do that, we click on the system settings and we go down to accounting. This is like the shell of the P&L and the balance sheet. So to initialize it, we have to click on the initialize button at the bottom, and we have a number of options. The first option is we can use a standard chart of accounts, which is what you would typically expect to find. The other option is to import the trial balance from another system. So this allows you to mirror the chart of accounts and the accounting setup from another solution, should you wish to migrate to Rhino. The third option is, and this is particularly relevant to accountants, if you wanted to copy the chart of accounts from another customer that you've got access to. So for example, if you had a number of marketing companies or sole traders and you wanted to use the same chart of accounts, it'll copy over the structure and also all of the accounting rules, which we'll refer to later. So just for the benefit of giving you an overview, we're now going to jump to another database that has all of this enabled. Okay, in this example, so the accounting feature has been enabled. So if we now click on any transaction, it's the same as before. The only difference is we can now see this little button up here. And if we click on it, we can see all of the posting transactions. We can also view an audit trail if any of those, if there's any changes to the transaction. We now have our trial balance, we have our P&L, we have a balance sheet, and also we have the balance sheet plus, which gives us a monthly breakdown. So let's have a look at the P&L. So for example, if we go here, so we can actually recategorize expenses and so on, and click on Save. Please refer to the other videos for more detail on configuring the chart of accounts, adding new expense types, and also updating the journal rules. So we'll see you on the next video.